How are you? Today we are doing image to URL creator. First we select a template of your app. We choose lemonade and here I add one label. I write here image to URL creator. Image to URL creator, and here we add one label. The font size is set it to 15 or 6 or 20. I set it to 20 and after this I add one label. Label name URL. Label name URL. Label ID to URL. After this, I add one picture here. Set size to height to 165 pixel and width to 185. And uh, here I select one photo select button. Here and here and I create one button name create. After this our app is done. Our app designing is done. After before starting I hide the button of button 1. I hide button 1. So I choose hide element ID to button 1. Yes, and on event of on event ID photo select 1, click show element ID button 1, and after this when it click on button 1, button 1 set URL, set text ID URL to get image URL from ID photo select 1, and after this we create set image URL ID to image 1 and set it to get text ID URL. Now we run this. Here I choose videos I choose this and now on create. See, there was an URL created. So you didn't copy this. You only able to write this on the URL where we write URL in Chrome. Okay. So here I write blog blog https this, and after this studio.code.org, studio studio dot code.org. Now the next letter 25177, 25177 476, and dash 476 59C8 59C8 4961 1 4961 and dash ABD 7 ABD 7 after E 739 9 ED double two 782B 782B, and now we press on enter. I check this URL again. Here I write ADB DB and now enter. Yes, see, this is the picture.